There you go. Keep moving it. Can you do that, Chris?
It's like a helicopter.
Uh-huh.
Do yours, Chris. Do it like your mama's.
Well, I don't know how yet. Mark them down. The ones who stop first is the winner.
Okay.
The ones who keep going is the winner.
Uh-oh.
No, the ones who keep going is the winner. The ones who keep going is the winner. Mama, stop! Mine's still going. That means I will win. That means I'm winning. Welcome TV show.
Spin it.
This one's going the fastest.
Let's see. Which one is the fastest? Which one you like, Cruz? The black, the red, or the
Silver.
silver? Oh, somebody's calling.
Answer the phone, Chris.
Who is it?
Hey, bud, what you doing?
Nothing.
Dad has stuff. You got the track loader stuff. I need you to help pull me out.
Okay.
Can you, load it on the gooseneck trailer?
Yeah.
Come down here to the land?
Yeah.
Make sure you get a strap, okay?
Yay.
I love you. See you in a few minutes, okay?
Bye-bye.
pull me out?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Pretty stuck. It looked like you got stuck coming in here.
Uh-huh.
That Dodge is spinning. Well, let's get the strap off.
Undo.
It'll undo.
Okay. All right. Let's get the bulldozer. We got to untilt the trowel, untilt it.
Yay! It's the
It's
trailer.
getting hot out here. Huh?
It's the trailer
I'm
too.
gonna tilt it right now. Go. Good job. What about the strap?
What?
Carry the strap with you?
Over here.
Put it in the bucket. Let's go. Get me out. Too muddy. After all that rain, should have known better. That strap long enough?
No.
Let's try it.
Help me.
Give me one end of it. All right, you want to hook it to the loader?
No, you hook it to where?
Right here. Should I crank this thing here? Move, okay?
Yay.
Are we ready? Pull, go. Pull, 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 pull. Pull, pull, pull. Pull, pull, you get it, go. Good boy. Good job, Bruce. Pull, boy, let's go. The cat, pull the cat, Bruce. Pull, pull, pull. Get close, almost out. Look, Bruce, close, go, go, go. Pull. Pull me to safety. Got me out. A little bit more. Good job. Good job. Right. Good job, son. You got me out of that big old hole. Big old hole I was in. You look. Big old hole. Yeah. Good job, son. Let's unhook it. Back up. Let's unhook. Okay. Good job. Thank you. Now, I'm gonna have to wait till it dries up. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Give us 2 thumbs up if you like it.